Hi, calling all caravan and motorhome owners. What are you doing about fire protection inside the van? You probably have something like this. It's a dry powder extinguisher. Now this particular one weighs about 2¼ kilos. Okay, its discharge time is just 7 seconds. It lasts for 5 years and it must be serviced every year. Okay. Oh, and by the way, you shouldn't really be using it inside the confines of a van because the discharge from it can be detrimental to your health. Now compare that to the fire safety stick. This weighs just 215 grams and yet has a discharge time of at least 50 seconds. It works on all key classes of fires, so things like Class A, which is solid flammables, flammable liquids, gases, electrical items, and even F, which is cooking oils and fats. So this can also replace your fire blanket as well. Now it lasts for at least 15 years, which actually means that it works at much better value than one of these things as well. You can even activate it, leave it in the van, you escape to safety, it will still carry on repressing the fire in your absence while you wait for the fire brigade to arrive. So to find out more about the fire safety stick and why it's perfect for you in the caravan and the motorhome, just follow the link below and find out more information on it. Thanks.